How to make simple syrup recipe. Simple syrup is an essential ingredient in cocktails and other beverages because it blends so well with other liquids, and it's super easy to make yourself, we promise. When you learn how easy it is, you'll end up creating all different types of amazing herb syrups and fruit syrups for your cocktails at home. Ingredients. A. Half a cup water. B. Half a cup sugar. I use organic granulated cane sugar, hence the syrup's golden color. Use white granulated sugar for a lighter color. Instructions. 1. Gather all the ingredients. 2. Place half a cup water and half a cup sugar, equal parts asterisk, in a saucepan. Heat over medium and whisk until the sugar dissolves completely. Asterisk tip. It's more accurate to measure equal parts in weight than volume, although I understand it's easy to use a cup measurement. If you're using a scale to measure, use equal weight. 3. Remove from the heat and let cool completely. Transfer it to an airtight container. To store. Keep the simple syrup in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. How to use. Use your homemade simple syrup to sweeten the following drinks and much, much more. 1. Daiquiri. 2. Mojito. 3. Hurricane. 4. Lemonade. 5. Iced tea. 6. Cold brew coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.